most classrooms and most labs, we've had to limit the number of students that are in the lab at any given time. So that was the first thing to consider, was how do we socially distance appropriately? And then the second part was, how do we maintain a high academic standard by having the students get exposed to all of the pertinent information that they need for the class? We have millions of dollars worth of equipment that we need to train our students on. And so my lab is the first lab where they really get in and they get to manipulate the instruments and work through problems and get to solve problems dynamically in the lab.
This lab has been probably my favorite class this semester actually. I actually get to interact with people and work together. It changes about every week who we're working with, so I've really got to know a lot of people, especially because this lab specifically is only for 2 majors. It's been really nice to actually get to know people that I'll be studying with for the next 4 years. It's been really great. I feel like I have the strongest community in a class in this lab.
We're still able to experience all of the experimentation and use the instruments by ourselves. And I think that's actually a very valuable lesson for us, because nowadays science is rarely done by one person. Cooperation is really, really important, as you can see. Especially in the pandemic, global scientists come together to really find a solution for all of this, and I think we're kind of mirroring that in our lab as well.
In Earth and Environmental Sciences, a lot of our students want to understand how Earth works and be able to understand it better. And what's fun is our students really go off and do a lot of different things with that. I want environmentalists to work in every field and to think about how we can be better stewards of the planet in every field. One of the things that we're able to do in this class really is bring in a lot more place-based education, thinking about how can we use our campus as a natural laboratory. There are tunnels that connect all of the buildings on campus, and some of them are actually big, 8-foot diameter tunnels that have been drilled out with a special drill that bored through all the bedrock, and it's left a perfect sort of exposure for a geology class to go see the rock that's down underground. There's a lot going on right on campus that we can work on.
Everything from researchers to undergraduates, grad students. It's really been amazing to see the spirit of the faculty and the research continuing on.